If you love a clean, uncluttered aesthetic, you'll enjoy these minimalist winter decor ideas. With simple touches, natural materials, and neutral tones, you can create a peaceful space that feels warm and inviting for the season. Let's dive into some easy yet impactful ideas to elevate your home this winter. Neutral-toned throw blankets. Drape soft, neutral-toned blankets like beige or light gray over your couch or chairs. They add warmth without overwhelming your space. Simple candles and glass holders. Arrange white or cream-colored candles in clear glass holders on your coffee table or mantle for a clean, elegant look. Minimalist winter wreath. Hang a simple wreath made of eucalyptus or pine branches on your door or above your fireplace for a subtle seasonal touch. Cozy corner with a single accent chair. Place a neutral accent chair with a knit throw and a small wooden side table in a corner to create a minimalist reading nook. Natural wood elements. Incorporate natural wood pieces like a rustic bench or wooden bowls to add warmth and texture to your decor. Soft area rug. Lay down a neutral-toned plush area rug in your living room to enhance coziness. Glass vases with winter greenery. Fill clear glass vases with sprigs of evergreen or dried branches and place them on shelves or side tables. Minimalist coffee table styling. Keep your coffee table simple with a tray holding a candle, a small plant, and a book. Neutral pillow covers. Switch out pillow covers for neutral ones in textures like linen, cotton, or fall fur for a winter vibe. Bare windows with light curtains. Keep window treatments simple by using sheer, light-colored curtains to let natural light flood in. White ceramic decor. Use white ceramic vases or bowls to keep surfaces looking clean and understated. Pine cone centerpiece. Create a simple centerpiece with pine cones in a wooden or metal bowl for a natural touch. Firewood display. Stack a few logs of firewood neatly in a basket or next to the fireplace for a rustic yet minimalist element. String lights. Add a subtle glow with string lights draped along a shelf or around a mirror. Opt for warm white lights for a soft ambience. Simple artwork. Hang a single piece of art with a winter landscape or abstract design in neutral colors to set a calm tone. Bare branch arrangements. Place bare branches in a tall vase to add height and natural beauty to your decor. Faux fur accents. Use faux fur throws or rugs sparingly to add softness and warmth without cluttering the space. Basket storage. Incorporate woven baskets to store blankets or magazines while adding a natural texture to the room. Ceramic table lamps. Replace busy table lamps with simple, neutral ceramic ones for a cohesive look. Simple garland on the mantle. Drape a minimalist garland made of greenery or fall snow-dusted branches along your mantle for a festive yet simple touch. Thank you for joining me today. Minimalist decor is all about creating a space that feels serene and welcoming, even during the colder months. I hope these ideas inspire you to embrace simplicity while adding warmth and charm to your home this winter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you next time.